ओम ओम गुला नमस्ते ओम गुला नमस्ते My dear Tantrika students, today we have discussed about the naming the Sarichahoy triangle with respect to the position of the theta. Okay, now we are discussing about the trigonometric ratio. Okay, now what is a ratio? Okay, what is a ratio? Okay, comparing the pasta comparing two different quantities is known as ratio. Okay, that is 1 by 2. This is one quantity, this is another quantity. Okay, the pasta comparing two different quantities. Okay, two different quantities which are not same. Okay, that is known as ratio. Means what? If you also comparing any two different quantities is known as ratio. Okay, example 1 by 2 comma 3 by 4 comma 4 by 5 comma 4 by 5 comma 9 by 4 comma etc. Okay, in this way you can define the ratio. What is ratio? The process of comparing two different quantities is known as ratio. First one is known as numerator and second one is known as denominator. Okay? Now what is trigonometric ratio? Ratio is the basic concept. Okay? Now trigonometric ratio is the actual concept in our trigonometry chapter. Very important. If you understand this, then your trigonometry will be very easy. Okay? So easy. Okay? Now the process of comparing the height of a right angle triangle with the process of comparing the height of a right angle triangle with the position of the unknown angle. With the position of the unknown angle is known as trigonometric ratio. Okay? Means what? With the help of the unknown angle, we are comparing the sides of the triangle. Okay? That is nothing but trigonometric ratio. Means what? That was comparing the sides of a right angle triangle with respect to the position of the theta, position of the unknown angle. Unknown angle means theta. In the position of the unknown angle is known as trigonometric ratio. Okay? Now see here, this is A, B, C. Okay? Now with this theta, with this hypotheta, how many ratios you can get right down here? AB by AC. AB by AC. Okay? AB by AC. Okay? Then the AC by AB. Okay? AC by AB. Okay? Now BC by AC. Okay? BC by AC. Okay? Now AC by BC. Okay? Reverse. Okay? AC by BC. Okay? AC by BC. Okay? Now again BC by AB. BC by AB. Okay? And AB by BC. AB by BC. Okay? AB by BC. Okay? AB by BC. Okay, now how many we got with respect to theta? How many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there are 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay, there are 6 different trigonometric ratios based on the position of the unknown angle. Okay, that will be any angle. That will be theta 1 or theta 2. Okay, okay. Now the 60 trigonometric ratios are defined. The 60 trigonometric ratios are as follows. Okay, these ratios only you can. These ratios are there now. 6 different types of ratios. Okay, for the 60 different types of ratios, we are giving 6 different names. Those are nothing but trigonometric ratios. Okay, now the 60 different trigonometric ratios are the 60 different trigonometric ratios are, write down. First one, sin theta. Okay, sin theta. Okay, this can be written as sin theta in shortcut, in short way. Okay, sin theta. Okay, now next one, cosine theta. Cosine theta. Okay, cosine theta. Okay, now it is written as in short way as cos theta. Okay, cos theta. Okay, now next one, tangent theta. Tangent. Okay, tangent theta. Tangent theta. Okay, now that is nothing but in a short way you can write tan theta. Okay, next fourth one. Cotangent theta. Cotangent theta. Cotangent theta. Okay, cotangent theta. That is nothing but in short way you can call it as cot theta. Okay, then the fifth one, secant theta. Secant theta. Secant theta. Okay, that is nothing but sec theta. Okay, sec theta. Okay, now last and final cosecant theta. Okay, cosecant theta. Okay, cosecant theta. Cosecant theta. Cosecant theta. Okay, that is nothing but cosec theta. Okay. Okay. Cosec theta. Okay. So these are the 6 different trigonometric ratios. Okay, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. Okay, now we have to know about, now we have to know the definition of these trigonometric ratios individually by using examples. Okay, now we can discuss. We can discuss the definitions of 60 different trigonometric ratios. Okay, now now okay, sin theta, what one? Okay, what one is sin theta? Okay, sin theta. Sin theta can be just in short way. Can we can write sin theta as in this way, in bracket. In that way, how we have written in that way we can write. Okay, sin theta. Now, sin theta can be defined as the ratio of the opposite side of the angle theta to its hypotenuse. Okay? Now, sin theta equal to opposite side of angle theta. Okay? Opposite side of angle theta by of angle theta by hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse is fixed side. Why? Because one angle is fixed. So hypotenuse is fixed side. The opposite side and the adjacent side will be changing according to the position of the unknown angle. Okay. Now sin theta is defined as the ratio of opposite side of angle theta to its hypotenuse. Into what mathematically it can be just sin theta equal to opposite side of angle theta by hypotenuse. Okay, let us take one example. Okay, now take your triangle ABC. A B C. Okay, now this is 190 degrees. Okay, this is theta 1. This is theta 2. Okay, this is theta 2. Okay, now for angle theta 1, for angle A equal theta 1, angle A equal theta 1, opposite side equal to, okay, here for my convenience I need opposite side of OS, but you should not write like this. Okay, you should write total opposite side. Okay, opposite side equal to AB. Means why? Because theta 1 is not touching to the side. Theta 1 is not touching to the side BC. So opposite side equal to BC. Okay, adjacent side equal to AB. Okay, now hypotenuse equal to AC. Okay, now so for angle A equal to theta 1, sin theta 1 is defined as sin theta 1 equal to sin theta 1 equal to what? Sin theta 1 equal to opposite side into what? BC. BC by AB. Okay, BC by AC. Hypotenuse what? AC. Okay, BC by AC. Opposite side equal BC. Hypotenuse equal AC. So sin theta 1 equal to BC by AC. Okay, now for angle C equal to theta 2. 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 Opposite side equal to what? AB. Okay. Why? Theta 2 is not touching to the means theta 2 is not touching to the side AB. So opposite side equal to AB. AB. Okay, now adjacent side equal to BC. Okay, adjacent side equal to BC. Okay, now hypotenuse equals hypotenuse is common. I already said you hypotenuse touches the both unknown angles. Okay. So hypotenuse equal to AC. So for angle C equal to theta 2. So sin theta 2 is defined as sin theta 2 equal to sin theta 2 equal to what? AB by AC. AB by AC. Okay. If for angle C, theta 2 is not given. Okay, then we can represent the angle with the point name. Okay, so sin C equal to AB by AC. Okay, in this way you can represent. Okay, if theta 1 and theta 2 is not given, then we can represent the angle with the help of which point name. Okay, where angle is located. Okay, now this is the sin theta definition. Okay, sin theta equal to the opposite side of angle theta by hypotenuse. Okay, now example we are taking ABC. Okay, angle equal to theta 1, B equal 90 degrees, C equal to theta 2. Now angle equal to theta 1, opposite side equal to what? BC. Okay, adjacent side equal to what? AB. Hypotenuse equal to AC. So sin theta 1 equal to opposite side equal to what? BC by hypotenuse equal to what? AC. Okay, so sin theta 1 equal to BC by AC. Okay, similarly, if angle C equal to theta 2, opposite side equal to what? AB. Why? Because angle theta 2 position changes. Okay, it is at the upper part. Okay, so for this, the opposite side will be AB and adjacent side will be BC. Okay, hypotenuse is common side for both angles. Okay, so no sin theta 2 equal to AB by AC. Okay, that is nothing but sin theta definition. Okay, now next next cosine theta. Okay. Okay. Next what? Next sin theta combination we discuss. Now we are going to discuss our cosine theta. Okay. Now we are going to discuss our cosine theta. Okay. Now cosine theta. Okay. Cosine theta. Okay. Cosine theta or cos theta. Okay. Cos theta. Okay. Now cosine theta can do it. Now cosine theta definition we can. Okay. But if you know the definition, then it is easy to do trigonometry. Okay. Now cosine theta or cos theta is defined as the ratio of the adjacent side of angle theta to its hypotenuse. Okay. So cosine theta can be equal cos theta. So cos theta equal to adjacent side of adjacent side of angle theta to its hypotenuse. Okay. The ratio of adjacent side of angle theta to its hypotenuse is known as the trigonometric ratio cosine theta. Okay. Now let us discuss an example. Okay. Let us take one triangle PQR. PQR. Again, PQR. Okay, now this is at Q we are having right angle. So, P, the base angle is theta 1 and the second angle is theta 2. Okay, now for angle P equal to theta 1, for angle P equal to theta 1, for angle P equal to theta 1, opposites are equal to what? QR. QR. Okay. Adjacent are equal to PQ. Adjacent are equal to PQ. Okay. Now hypotenuse equal to what? PR. Okay. Hypotenuse equal to PR. Now by the definition of cos theta, the cos theta 1 is defined as cos theta 1 equal to adjacent side unit what? PQ by PQ by PR. PQ by QR. PQ by PR. PR is the hypothesis. Okay? So, PQ by PR. Okay? Cos theta equal PQ by PR by using the figure. Okay? Now, second one. For angle I equal to theta 2, for angle I equal to theta 2, angle I equal to theta 2, angle I equal to theta 2, opposites are equal to what? Opposites are equal to what? PQ. Okay? Now, adjacents are equal to QR. Okay? Now, hypotenuse is equal to PR. Okay? Now, for angle theta 2, cos theta 2 is defined as cos theta 2 equal to cos theta 2 equal to QR by PR. QR by PR. Okay? Into what? What is the definition of cos theta? The ratio of adjacent side of angle theta to its hypotenuse is known as cosine theta or cos theta. Okay? Now, I think so you have understood. If you have any doubts, come and ask me. Okay? Now you are going to a net trigonometry ratio. Okay? You are going to the net trigonometry ratio. Okay, that is nothing but tangent theta. Okay, tangent theta. Okay, that is simply written as tan theta. Okay. No, the tangent theta, which can also be known as tan theta, is defined as the ratio of opposite side of angle theta to its adjacent side of angle theta. Okay? So, mathematically it can be written as tan theta equal to opposite side of angle theta, opposite side of angle theta to its adjacent side of adjacent side of angle theta. Okay, simple. Okay, opposite side by adjacent side known as tan theta. Okay, opposite side of angle theta. Okay, now the tan theta is defined as the ratio of opposite side of angle theta by to its adjacent side of angle theta. Okay, now let us take one example. Okay, now consider a triangle DF. DF. Okay, D E F. Okay, now at the morning we are having a triangle. So angle D equal to theta 1. Angle D angle F equal to theta 2. Okay, now for angle D equal to theta 1, for angle D equal to theta 1. Okay, adjacent side, opposite side equal to what? Opposite side equal to EF. EF. Okay, here theta 1 is there now. For this opposite side EF. Okay, adjacent side equal to what? D. DE. Okay, now hypotenuse equal to what? DF. Okay, D F. Okay, now for angle D equal to theta 1, tan theta 1 is defined as tan theta 1 equal to tan theta 1 is equal to opposite side. What is opposite side? EF. EF by D. EF by D E. Okay, now this is for tan theta 1. Okay, now for theta 2. Okay, for angle F equal to theta 2, for angle F equal to theta 2, F equal to theta 2, for angle F equal to theta 2, opposite side equal to what? Opposite side equal to D. D. Okay, now adjacent side equal to what? Adjacent side equal to what? Adjacent side equal to EF. Okay, EF. Okay, now hypotenuse equal to what? Hypotenuse equal to what? Hypotenuse equal to what? DF. Okay, DF. Okay, now for angle theta 2, tan theta 2 is defined as tan theta 2 equal to tan theta 2 equal to tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, so D by F. D by EF. Okay, Means what? Tan theta equal opposite side of angle theta by adjacent side of angle theta. Okay? One thing you have to remind, for any angle, opposite side and adjacent side, these two sides will be interchanged. Okay? In a triangle. Okay? Hypotenuse will be fixed. Why? One angle is fixed. No. Since one angle is fixed, the one side will be also fixed side. Okay? The other two sides will be interchanging each other according to the position of the two unknown angles. Okay? The remaining issue, that is cotangent theta, secant theta, and cosecant theta, we can discuss tomorrow. Okay? Thank you. Thank you very much.